everyone, thank you for joining me today. We're making a Medkit takeout from the Apex Legends cookbook. With these kind of recipes, it's always easier to do the prep first and then cook it all together. It was a really quick recipe. I would maybe suggest marinating the chicken in the sauce that we make, just because the flavors didn't really impart very well, so at least this would help make it a bit stronger. But yeah, let's get straight into it. I started our prep with the chicken, which was 7 ounces or 200 grams. Obviously, if you've only got one chopping board, you want to do that one last to avoid any cross-contamination. And if you wanted to make that sauce first, it was soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar and water. So we've got 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 to 2 tablespoons of water, and then you can mix it up if you wanted to marinate the chicken. For our veg prep, we've got 1 green onion and 1 large carrot, which would be peeled and sliced into thin strips. That one is called a julienne cut. We've also got 2 garlic cloves minced, but I used a lazy garlic there for that one. So this is just me making up that sauce that I previously told you. If you wanted to make it up now, that's fine as well. We are just about to start cooking. You will want 2 eggs scrambled as well for this mix. And it suggested 2 tablespoons of peanut oil for cooking. That's just to impart some extra flavour. I did use groundnut oil, which is very similar. I would also say before you cook anything, make sure you've cooked off your noodles. It's 9 ounces or 255 grams. I did have some sort of pre-cooked ones that you just had to reheat. So here I am just cooking off our chicken. Once that one is ready to go, you're going to add your garlic and carrot. Once you've cooked those for a couple of minutes, you'll add your noodles in as well. We're then going to add our sauce and add your egg. I would recommend putting it in a corner so it can cook on its own. Once you're happy with that and it's had a chance to cook, add your bean sprouts and your spring onion. The bean sprouts is 4 ounces or 113 grams. Don't forget to season before you serve and let me know what you think. As always, stay safe and I will see you in the next one.